students, today we will learn about nest of birds. Already we have learned about birds' beak, birds' feathers and etc. But today we will learn more about nest of birds. So what is nest? Nest is a home of a bird. The home of a bird is called nest. Birds build nest using leaves, straw, twigs, wool, cotton, thread, etc. So why birds have nest or why birds make nest? We all know that shelter is very useful to us. Shelter helps us to protect us from heat, cold, rain. Same, nest protect the birds from heat, cold, rain and enemies also. Birds can take care of their nest in place safe from enemies and bad weather. So why bird make their nest? Because bad weather and from enemies. So we can see birds nest on trees. Different places birds can make their nest, such as trees, nest on trees, nest on terrace, buildings, sometimes ceiling fans. Sometimes birds can make their nest on the ceiling fans. Next, birds build. Why birds build their nest? Because birds build their nest due to laying eggs. They want to lay their eggs inside the nest and also keep their hatchling inside the nest. Birds build their nest mostly to lay eggs in them. It is the nests that their eggs hatch and chicks stay until they are old enough to fly, till they can stay in the nest. This is the nest. Why birds make their nest? Due to their chick, due to their laying egg, due to protect from enemies. The tailor bird. Now students, different birds have different kinds of nest, different shaped nest. Let us discuss. First of all, tailored bird. Tailored bird is a type of bird that can make their nest through sew. Sew means stitching. Sew means stitching something. Stitching with thread and needle. Sew leaves together, build a nest. So tailored bird make their nest with big leaves and also the leaves joined together through sewing process or stitching process. Next one is weaver bird. Weaver bird uses its beak, weave pieces of leaves, grass or twigs. Build a nest. They make their nest beautifully, and their nest, one more significant is there, their door, but their entrance is under the nest. Their entrance is under the nest. Next one is the woodpecker. Already I have told you woodpecker has strong scissor shaped beak and they help them to make hole inside the branch of trees. The woodpecker uses its beak to peck into tree trunks and make a hole for a nest. So woodpecker lives in the hole of the branch, inside the branch. Penguins live in very cold places. Penguins live in a polar region and where no plants found inside there. No plants and or leaves we can't find there. Only snow. That's why penguins can make their nest through twigs, grass. They make their nest with the help of pebbles. Pebbles means small rocks. Pebbles means small rocks. They make their nest with the help of pebbles or small rocks, and to make their nest on the ground. They make their nest on the ground. Next student, this is very important. Did you know students, cuckoo, that means quail, does not make their own nest. They lay their eggs inside the nest of crows and let the mother crow to look after the baby cuckoos. When they are adult, when they able to fly, they can move from the place. Next, eagle and vulture. I want to say one thing. Eagle and vulture fly very higher. That's why their nest also they make higher branch of the tree, higher portion of the tree. Eagle and vulture make their nest on branches of tall tree or branches of hilly area, high hill or high rocks. Next one, we all know that students, all birds can fly with the help of their wings. But exceptional birds are there that cannot fly properly and they are called flightless birds. So students, what are flightless birds? Birds that cannot fly, they are called flightless birds, such as kiwi, penguin, ostrich, emu. They cannot fly. Why flightless bird cannot fly? Because flightless birds have big and heavy body. That's why they cannot fly. Flightless birds have big and heavy body and also their wings are so weak. That's why they can't fly. What are migratory birds? What is migration? Migration means move from one place to another place. Here some birds are migratory birds. What are migratory birds? Migratory birds are travel from one place to another place during a particular time. Particular time means particular season. Especially winter season, they can change their place to protect them from bad weather and many others. And also they cannot survive that places. That's why they can migrate from one places to another place, such as grey great owl, great spotted woodpecker, waxwing and coal are the example of some migratory birds. Next one is some extinct bird. Extinct means they are not in our world now. They were in sometimes they were in the world but not now. Some extinct birds like dodo, Arabian ostrich, great auk, passenger pigeon and skyless parakeet, they are extinct birds. They are not available in our world. So students, these are the flightless birds and about birds. I hope you have understood properly. Again, you have any confusion, you have to learn the book properly, line by line, read the book. And also if you have any confusion, ask in comment box. Today that's all. Thank you.